Yeah, and we're going for dinner. Yeah, and we ran from there and we're going to the pasar.
And I'm soaking wet.
Yeah, but we have to wait because soon we're gonna have an opening and then we'll run again. But now it's raining like cats and dogs, so you have to be patient, guys. It's just for you. And a little bit for me because I'm hungry as well.
Now it's
Yeah. No.
hungry.
Yeah.
Go in here maybe?
No.
Soaking wet. But we are here.
Yeah.
We run.
I'm soaking wet. And it's still raining like cats and dogs outside. Let's go for food.
What is this? Does she
that
have
one?
a daging?
Have to
Red
ask.
pepper?
Oh. Have to ask. Oh.
Dalila! Dalila! Vandalila! Not Delilah.
No,
Dalila.
not the same.
Nothing.
Dalila. What she got in the bins?
It's more people inside.
And outside? I don't think so.
So much people.
Yeah. What's this?
I don't know. That egg.
Oh,
Ah.
nice. I want.
Did you sing up for us?
I hope so. We said we'd be back.
Yeah, I think so.
Nasi putih dua.
Maybe she needs it.
Ah, nice.
Our lamb looks good as well.
Yeah.
So many people in here now.
Yeah. I wonder why. Why is no one outside and running?
No one is leaving. I wonder why.
No.
Now it'll be cold actually.
Yeah. But it would be nice to sit there by the fan. Nasi putih. Oh. Daging.
You save it for us?
Oh, terima kasih. Tio ice kosong? Dua. Ah, thank you.
So she saved it.
Oh, so sweet.
I will sit beside you.
If you like. Ah, look at that, guys. Look at this piece. Oh my God. That's onion. So,
Red pepper. Daging red
Oh.
pepper.
no red pepper.
I think she said.
Must be something with bawang.
Bawang. I want to ask her.
Yeah, we have to.
Yes.
Do we see it?
Ask her the name.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah, maybe I'm in the picture. I don't know. She talk, I eat. I must try. Oh my God. Super set up. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh, ulams. I want ulam.
Oh. Are you good?
You.
Daging masak merah.
Is this daging
Yes,
masak?
but it's good. Yes.
It's the best one yet. Oh, take the guys with you. Ulam?
Yes, ulam. Yeah. Then it's coming. Nasi selera.
Yeah, and it's stand number 21.
Number 21.
Yeah.
So this was like the guy said, on this side it's different spices, species, spices. So it tastes not the same.
No.
No?
You want more or you're happy? Or we go for
I
thumbnail?
want a little bit more.
You want
Yeah, we can do that.
thumbnail? Perfect. Best thumbnail yet.
Yeah, but my plate is a little bit too plain. Oh,
Then we
she's
can-
doing ABC.
Yeah. Nice one.
Oh,
Oh, perfect, perfect.
yeah, chili. Yes, please. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
Sambal belacan.
yeah, little sambal. Yeah, okay, okay.
I think yes.
Because we have some chili in here as well.
Kalau ada yang lagi.
And the ulam.
Ulam.
Yeah, perfect.
Oh, did you want
Very good.
Oh, terima kasih.
Sambal belacan Terengganu.
Oh,
Did you want some egg?
they have telur?
Telur?
Telur rebus?
Telur rebus.
No, okay.
You had the telur masak merah?
Telur masak merah.
Yeah? You want? We take one.
Okay.
Oh, is that the chili?
Yeah,
Oh,
you go for the chili.
was it good?
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
it's a Boston cucumber. Hope you can see the chili, guys. It was piping hot, spicy and fine.
100% chili. I saw they had telur masak merah.
Oh.
I recognize them. Terima kasih. Oh, and this is not the same color.
No.
No?
And I hope you can hear us because it's raining a lot. But you're not interested in us. We want the food.
You don't want to hear us talk. You
No.
want to see us eat.
Look at this Masak
I
Merah.
haven't tried it yet.
Oh, it's super delish. I can tell you that.
You can take the rest of it on that plate.
And the chilies are yours. I go for the egg.
Look at, I'm going to take one bite.
What's that? Pedas.
Sådär.
Mm.
Ja.
Pedas?
No.
No, pedas.
Släpper där.
Yeah.
Det var good.
Yeah,
Det var really
super good, super good.
Yeah.
Sambal pedas. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, super good. Oh, pedas. Tidak pedas.
Där poppar det upp. But this was good.
Super good.
Daging masak merah. RM6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this was delish.
But what's that about so much?
Yeah,
Okay, no.
maybe later.
Okay, no.
But dip, maybe you can.
Yeah, I can take onion. I take the onion. The onion to the egg?
No, not spicy.
No. No.
Sure?
That was sweet.
Yeah. Sweet chili. Yeah, sweet. Yeah. Ah, sedap. Ah.
Yeah. Sedap kali. Sedap. It's raining in now.
Yeah.
Oh,
Try this one.
oh, petai.
Petai.
Oh, sedap. Sedap makan. Oh, halal petai.
Oh, makan petai.
Makan petai, cucuk macam. I haven't had stinky beans in a while. Oh, that's one.
Yeah, good. One.
Oh, they have custard.
Yeah. Petai, sedap.
Oh, that's one.
Ah, makan. Ah, super sedap.
Good.
Yeah.
Good for liver.
Yeah. Cheers.
You want more? Is the Thai?
I'm sorry to say this, guys, but here I will be back again. Lovely place. And she didn't have any of this food left. And we were here at lunch and said we come back. And he saved us a big plate. I was so happy.
Yeah, because you finished.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And I understand why.
yeah, but we were here talking to her at lunchtime, and she saved us a whole plate. You come back later? We say, of course we do. And she trusts us, so it makes us so happy.
One is timun Cina.
Ah, watermelon. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You want more?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Then let us eat. Yeah, we have seen the trees.
Yeah.
How the petai grows.
Yeah, here.
Yeah? I've seen it before. And because here I saw...
So that, you don't know.
Look at this. You like?
You don't know.
We have it here. Are you in the picture? A little bit. Now you're in.
Today, the food is the star of the picture.
Yeah. And the people around us.
Yeah.
But I do like to eat my stinky beans like this in the food.
You cannot.
I have it. Just paint my nails as well. So I have to be careful. But I'm doing them.
This was crazy good.
Yeah. And we got melon. That's good.
Yeah.
After a big chili.
Yeah.
We got barbecue as well.
Not chili, that's sweet chilies. So you can eat as well. Do you want the small one?
No.
Maybe the small one for more
I
spicy.
go for an onion.
Yeah. Have you seen all the plates? Melon, sambal, ulam,
Daging masak merah.
daging masak merah,
Telur masak merah.
food,
The Thai stinky beans.
yeah, and my food, drinks, and again this place crazy nice. It's a big thumb up. So it was crazy good. Thank you.
What more?
Yeah, of course. Because the lovely lady is not going to eat it. She said, no, Oh.
You don't like?
No.
Absolutely. She's not going to eat any.
No.
That
You can fool her to eat that.
No, that expression in her face
Yeah.
was a lovely one.
But they don't taste so much.
No. But let's say that they smell after, but I haven't felt any smell.
You can take them.
You want more?
No. I will mix. Stinky bean and chili.
I remember the first time we eat stinky beans. And we didn't know you have to do like this. You just took it like, we ate it like this. Without peeling them.
But we have learned that's the hardcore way.
That was no knife. I didn't eat it.
Are you a real padai eater? You must try to eat it whole.
Oh, you did?
We have a few comments. That's a hardcore style of eating a padai.
Huh? But some people do.
Yeah.
Huh? But it's a great place.
Yeah, love it. Absolutely love it. We are 15 minutes in. Should we close up the camera for now and be back? So be sure to thumb this video up and we come back to sum up the price. And again,
Number 21.
What a place. And we're all hiding from the rain.
Now we finished. It's absolutely delicious. Too much sambal. So now we're going to pay with all the nice ladies.
Yang lain bagi diskaun.
And here's the beans.
Thank you so much.
You change my ring.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye. See you Saturday. Hurry. Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you Saturday. Saturday, is that Daging black pepper? Perfect. See you Saturday.
See you Saturday.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Oh, stunning.
25
That's the one I
ringgits.
meant.
Yeah.
Gonna be 10 of her in a few days.
Yeah. 25 ringgits for this feast. With melon and ulam and double eggs.
And all that meat.
Yeah. But we were here for the black pepper, but she didn't have that today. So
No?
on Saturday, she's gonna make the black pepper. So.
Oh, gonna be so. But Masak Merah we have eaten.
Yeah, but
not like this.
No, this is the most tasty one I have ever eaten. Hello. Most tasty one I have eaten.
Yeah.
So I'm so happy. But I'm excited for because I saw the black pepper for a few days ago,
Yeah.
but we haven't had an opportunity to try to eat it. So, but this Saturday, guess what I'm eating?
And what time?
She said around 1 o'clock to us today,
Yeah.
and now it's like 5, I think.
But should
No, we have to be there at 12 or 1, so we can walk around here because she cannot save another plate.
So what we're going to do now is just still pouring down. So we walk around a bit here.
Yeah, we walk around.
You do love the bazaars.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
do. Just, hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. From Kuala. You see the videos. Oh, nice.
Thank you.
What's your name? Aisha.
Say
Oh,
hello.
nice to meet you, Aisha.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you for
Aisha.
watching our videos. So happy. Thank you.
Makes me so fun.
Oh,
I get happy and
yeah. So nice. A bunch of ladies
I'm
hanging out.
a bit embarrassed.
Yeah.
Surprised.
From Kuala. Yeah, it's not far from here.
No.
Yeah, but thank you guys for watching. Yeah, we will go to bed.
We have to go back and say hello.
Yeah.
So,
thank you for watching. Please thumb up this video, share with your friends. And if you are in Kuala Terengganu, you have to go to this stall.
Yeah.
It was crazy good, friendly people, and yeah.
And if you see us, you have to say hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Bye. And I have to ask you, Bazar Varissa, is that the old bazaar? Because this is the new one. Pasar Kedai Payang. So is that the old one? Sorry, bye.